from sleek silhouettes to bold colors and dazzling glamour. These celebrities owned the red carpet premiere in style. Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the most jaw-dropping looks from the red carpet premiere of Elio and Bride Hard in Los Angeles. We're talking elegance, drama, and unforgettable fashion moments. Ready? Let's go! Elio red carpet premiere in Los Angeles. Zoe Saldaña, sophisticated take on Saint Laurent Fall 2025. Zoe Saldaña brought pure elegance and poise to the red carpet in a stunning look from Saint Laurent's Fall 2025 collection, proving once again why she's a red carpet favorite. The look was a refined lesson in earth-toned color blocking, a trend that's quietly dominating this season. She wore a structured, terracotta high-neck blouse with long sleeves and subtly pronounced shoulders, exuding strength without overstatement. The earthy tone flowed seamlessly into an ochre pencil skirt, sharply tailored to enhance her silhouette. Together, these complementary hues formed a rich, grounded palette that radiated confidence and composure. The column-like silhouette spoke volumes. There were no embellishments, no dramatic trains, just a commitment to clean lines, precise tailoring, and the powerful harmony of color. This minimalist approach, paired with pulled-back hair, delicate stud earrings, and glowing makeup, gave Zoe a polished, modern edge. Her presence on the red carpet felt more like a quiet assertion of authority than a dramatic fashion play. It's a sophisticated form of minimalist power dressing, signaling a shift in 2025 red carpet fashion, where subtle elegance outshines showy couture. Zoe Saldaña's street-style moment in Gia Studio's Cherry Red cohort. Just days before the Elio premiere, Zoe proved her fashion range in New York City, embracing a bold new aesthetic while promoting the same film. Swapping neutrals for an eye-catching hue, she stepped out in a vibrant cherry red cohort by Gia Studios, a look that made as much of a statement as any red carpet gown. The ensemble was effortlessly chic. A U-neck tank top paired with a matching midi skirt, showcasing Zoe's toned figure. But the style magic was in the details, specifically the lightly knotted cardigan draped across her shoulders, adding a touch of relaxed glamour. Her stylist, Petra Flannery, nailed the kind of casual sophistication that feels spontaneous, yet perfectly curated. Red is clearly the color of the season, making waves in spring 2025 collections from fashion giants like Gucci and Bottega Veneta. Saldaña didn't play it safe. She leaned into the trend with a near monochromatic look that felt fresh, bold, and totally modern. This off-duty ensemble revealed a new dimension to Zoe's fashion evolution, from neutral minimalism to confident, color-forward fashion. Her New York City street style proved that the most compelling outfits sometimes happen beyond the velvet rope. Natasha Blasick Fuchsia Fantasy. Actress Natasha Blasick brought pure drama and joy to the Elio red carpet with a show-stopping fuchsia gown, proving that high fashion can be both whimsical and commanding. Her dress was a dreamy creation of layered fuchsia tulle, featuring a strapless neckline framed by a voluminous ruffle overlay. The cloud-like detailing added texture and visual interest, creating a soft, romantic effect around her shoulders. As she moved, the gown's full, sheer skirt billowed behind her, adding drama and grandeur to every step. A daring high slit on one side revealed just the right amount of leg, balancing the gown's ethereal volume with a touch of sensuality. Blasick's look embraced maximalist glam in the best way, vibrant, theatrical, and completely unapologetic. With the bold color choice and flowing silhouette, Natasha's look celebrated the classic fantasy of Hollywood premieres, reminding everyone that the red carpet is still a place for fearless fashion statements. Bride Hard red carpet premiere in Los Angeles. Anna Camp glows in mint green. Anna Camp lit up the pink carpet at the Bride Hard premiere in Los Angeles on June 18, 2025, exuding pure sophistication and charm. The actress stunned in a sleeveless, floor-length column gown completely covered in mint green sequins or beading that shimmered with every graceful step. The classic silhouette featured a flattering scoop neckline that allowed the detailed texture and fresh color to take center stage. Her soft, cascading blonde waves framed her face beautifully, while delicate drop earrings added just the right amount of sparkle. A standout ring on her left hand offered the finishing touch, bringing understated glamour to her red carpet moment. Mila Harris delivers playful elegance. Rising star Mila Harris brought youthful energy and classic charm to the Bride Hard red carpet, choosing a look that was both fun and fashion-forward. On June 18, 2025, she stepped out in a stunning all-white two-piece set, a delicate corset-inspired top paired with a flared, pleated mini skirt. The corset-style top featured exquisite embroidery or lace detailing that added structure while maintaining a feminine feel. The flouncy skirt, reminiscent of ballerina silhouettes, danced with every step. Her pastel pink platform heels with ankle straps brought a soft pop of color that tied the look together effortlessly. This ensemble, sweet yet stylish, showed that youthful flair and polished poise can go hand in hand. Closing ceremony of the 64th Monte-Carlo Television Festival. Sophie Nélisse embodies grace at Monte-Carlo Television Festival. Sophie Nélisse captivated attendees at the closing ceremony of the 64th Monte-Carlo Television Festival on June 17, 2025, in a gown that whispered quiet luxury. She donned a floor-length gray dress made of flowing, soft fabric, likely jersey knit, that shimmered subtly under the lights. With a refined boat neckline and full-length sleeves, the design offered a minimalist, elegant silhouette that celebrated comfort and grace. Her pulled-back hairstyle emphasized her natural beauty, while subtle makeup and dainty earrings added to the overall effect of polished simplicity. This understated yet memorable look was a masterclass in refined red carpet fashion. Red carpet moment. Mena Suvari delivers vintage cool in denim. In a refreshing break from traditional evening gowns, Mena Suvari made a bold statement at the Crest White Strips Awards at the Beverly Hills Hotel on June 16, 2004. Suvari opted for a unique denim jumpsuit with capri-length pants and whimsical, hand-stitched details throughout the bodice and legs. With short, cuffed sleeves and tied cuffs at the calves, the outfit blended utility-inspired design with fashion-forward creativity. The tailored fit and decorative appliques gave the look a vintage meets modern vibe. Mena's outfit stood out for its personality, offering a stylish reminder that red carpet fashion doesn't always need sequins to be unforgettable. Summary. From Zoe Saldaña's minimalist masterpiece to Natasha Blasick's fuchsia dream and Mena Suvari's denim twist, the 2025 red carpet premiere scene is giving us everything: elegance, risk-taking, and a fresh definition of glam. These stars didn't just dress up, they made fashion statements. Which red carpet premiere look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more iconic celebrity fashion recaps. Until next time, stay stylish.